Want to collect data easily without building complex websites? Baserow forms let you gather responses, leads, feedback, and submissions directly into your database. In this guide, I'll show you how to create forms in Baserow in 2026. First, log in to Baserow and open the database where you want to collect form submissions. Make sure your table is already set up with the fields you need. Each form is connected to a table. So make sure your table has the right fields like name, email, message, or any custom data you want to collect. Inside your table, look for the option to add a new view and select the form view. This will convert your table into a simple form interface. Now customize your form. You can rename fields, reorder them, and decide which fields are required. This helps you control exactly what information users submit. Next, adjust settings like confirmation messages or redirect links after submission. You can also choose how the form behaves once someone submits it. Once your form is ready, copy the shareable link and send it to your audience. Anyone with the link can submit responses, and they'll automatically appear in your table. And that's how to create forms in Baserow in 2026. It's a simple way to collect data, organize responses, and automate your workflow without coding. So yeah, try building your first form and see how easy it is. Thanks for watching.